Okay. Hey guys, hi! Once again, welcome back to the session. This is your master DJ Harsh Priyam, and I am live in front of all of you. So how are you guys doing? How's life going on, people? Hi to everyone. Namaskar, Adab, Shat Shri Akal. How are you guys? So once again, welcome back. Yes, मैं आ गया हूँ Aditya. I am here. So how are you guys doing? All good, all great, all fantastic. Hi. So once again, welcome back. So guys, today we are going to discuss about surface area and volume. Yo, bola tha na? I had said you that if we mix both, means if we combine both basic mathematics and standard mathematics, we would be able to complete the chapter or the entire syllabus much more fast, isn't it? Much more faster. So that's why I'm here. Okay, chalo. So let's start. Excited? That's great. Good to know that, Suchi. So let's move on and let's start this chapter of surface area and volume. So for all of you, let's start. Here we go. But before starting, all those students who want to join me for their preparation for their crash course or for their revision courses or even for their long-term courses, you can obviously do that. And for doing that or for joining me, the method or the way is Vedantu Pro subscription. How you can get into this Vedantu Pro subscription? So there would be a link given in the description box that would be written as vdnt.in/ytpro. You can go to that link, you can fill in all your details and then you can start that subscription. For that subscription, there is a subscription fees. So per month subscription fees is 2700 rupees. In this 2700 rupees, you get all subjects. It's not only for mathematics. You get math, physics, chemistry, biology, social, English, everything. So this is 2700 rupees. And if you use a coupon code HPPRO, if you use this coupon code HPPRO, you get an extra 20% discount on this price. Fine. So this is how you can join Vedantu Pro subscription. And not only live sessions, you even get the support of doubt support, test, assignment, all India test series, and teachers handwritten notes. So all these things are provided there in Vedantu Pro subscription. Not only this, so the good news, this all is good, but more better or the best news is that right now the discount is not 20%, there is a discount of 50%. So just now I said you have to use HP Pro and that will give you a 20% discount over this. So if you purchase this course within this time frame, like 20th December to 27th December, in between this period, you will be getting an upfront discount of 50% flat on 1 month course. How beautiful it is, isn't it? So just use the coupon code HPPRO, and with this coupon code HPPRO, no R or O, okay, wait, it's HPPRO. If you use this coupon code HPPRO, you will get a flat 50% discount on 1 month course. Fine? Chalo. Standard or basic, it's applicable for all, Krishna. It's both standard and basic everywhere. It's applicable. Chalo. So how to join your batch? So Ahmed, you have to just join this Vedantu Pro subscription and then you have to write a mail to vkr@vedantu.com that I want to get enrolled into Harsh Priyam sir's batch. They will put you. Okay? Only 38 are here. No issues, Om Prakash. We'll have more better coordination and connection, isn't it? Sir, how to enroll in your crash course after taking Pro? So Tanmay, the same thing. Write a mail to vkr@vedantu.com that you want to get into my batch. They will do that. Okay? Chalo, so shall we start? Baba Abhishek sir ko Ashirwad. Okay, Vikesh game, your comment has been deleted. I don't know why. Sir, I got 76 by 18 math exam. That's very good, Sudarshan. Thumbs up, buddy. Balle balle. Fine. So let's move on, guys. Now today we are going to discuss surface area and volume, and in that surface area or volume, we are going to discuss the very important topic, that is combination of solids. Now why am I saying that this is very important? Because in examination, questions are mostly asked from this topic only, combination of solid. Not only one solid, but you will find multiple solids joined together and they will form a new shape. So just take an example. You would have seen this petrol tank or milk tank, because all the liquid items are transported in this type of tank. Okay. Now if you see this tank with full attention, you will find that this tank has got two figures. One figure is a cylindrical figure, a cylinder, and another figure is cylinder attached with two hemispheres. So this is a hemisphere at one end and this is a hemisphere attached at second end. So there are two hemispheres. So basically it is a cylinder with two hemisphere. Hemisphere 1, hemisphere 2. So like this, you can find multiple other objects which are combination of two solids or three solids or four solids or whatever. And you may have to find surface area of that solid, total surface area, or you may have to find volume of that solid. So all these questions are very much probable for your examination. And we are going to discuss that only today. Okay? Chalo, so let's start. Pipe, yes, pipe is also there. Pipe or water ke questions bilkul important hai. Krishna, I completely get it. Pipe water questions are also important. We'll do that. Chalo, so let's start without wasting any much further time. Here's the first question for all of you. The question says, this is looking like wo lattu dekha hai chote bachpan mein, which you roll it on the ground, that lattu. I don't know what it is called in English. So Rashid got a playing top. Okay, it is called playing top. Okay, playing top, lattu, as his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. Wow. He wanted to color it with his crayons. Okay, so Rashid is a small kid, looks like. So the top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The entire top is 5 centimeter in height. So this entire height is 5 centimeter. And this diameter is 3.5. See here, this is given 3.5. So if this is given 3.5, I hope you are understanding 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2. And this is the diameter. So if this is the diameter, guys, what will be the radius? So very easily you can figure out that radius is half of 7 by 2, that is 7 by 4. And this radius would also be equal to this value, isn't it? Why? Very sorry, I said it wrong. It won't be equal to this. In fact, it will be equal to this one. Sorry, this one. I wanted to say this. Why? Because this is also radius. See here, radius, radius, radius. So radius, radius, radius. So all the radius will be equal to 7 by 4. Fine. Cool. Now the question says, and the diameter of the top is 3.5 centimeter. We got it. Find the area he has to color. So Rashid wants to color which? He wanted to color with his crayon. So the top is shaped like cone surmounted by this. So he wanted to color it with his crayon. So entire solid he want to color. This means we have to find total surface area. So total surface area, please pay attention. Do you understand that for finding the total surface area, this is the portion which is visible to you, which can be colored, and this is curved surface area of cone, CSA of, hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere, this is hemisphere. This complete portion is a hemisphere. And then you will have to find CSA of cone. I hope you are getting it. And CSA of hemisphere, I guess everyone knows that CSA of hemisphere is nothing but 2 pi r square. Do we know r? Answer is yes, we know r is 7 by 4. And here, curved surface area of cone, do we know that? Answer is yes, it is pi r l. Do we know r? Yes. Do we know l? No, we'll have to find it. So if we have to find l, let's do that. So l, slant height is equals to root under r square plus h square, guys, isn't it? So this is the situation. R square plus h square. This is r square. This is h square, which we have to find. And this is l. You can say that this is l, slant height. So you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. L equals to root under r square h square, or you can even write it. That L square is equals to R square plus H square. This can also be written. Okay. Now, if we have to solve this, so L we don't have, and for H, do we have H? Answer is yes. How? People, please pay attention. This is your 7 by 4. This radius is 7 by 4. And this entire height is 5. So if you have to find H, let me first find out H. H is 5 minus 7 by 4. 5 minus 7 by 4, correct? So take the LCM, 20 minus 7, 13 by 4 is the height of this cone. Height. So now put the values. So L is equals to root under R square. So R is 7 by 4 whole square plus H square. H is 13 by 4 whole square. And now you have to actually calculate it. So guys, come on, start solving it. If I am not wrong, 7 square is 49 and 49 and 13 square is 169. So 169, 170 and 150, 220, 220 and 218. So this is precisely 218 inside the bracket divided by 4. That is the value of L. You have to put this value L here. R is already known to you, 2 pi R square, and then you have to solve it. Would you be able to solve this? Come on, tell me yes and no. Or story, stay, play. I would request you to kindly concentrate here. Would you all be able to solve this? Come on, tell me yes or no. Dekho, I will just show you. So root 218 divided by 4, 4 square it should be. So this value is a bit clumsy value. Please pay attention. This value is a bit clumsy value. In your examination, you won't be getting these type of values. So do not get worried. This type of value won't be coming. They would be giving you such value which you can solve easily. So this root 218 by 4, this is the value of L. Now you have to find 2 pi R square plus pi RL. What we did, 2 pi R square plus pi RL, you can put the formula, put the values, you can get the answer. Did you all understand it or not? Just tell me yo-yo. That is the first thing. Hi sir जी, basic या standard है ये मैं देखा हूँ. ये देखे हो, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं देखे होगे, ये बेसिक्स प्लस स्टैंडर्ड दोनों सेम, मतलब दोनों मिला के. Okay, everyone understood? That's great. Sir, I am worried about case study questions. Sudarshan, don't get worried about case based questions. Okay, you will get a hand of it. Don't worry on that. हाँ सर, अब अभिषेक सर की तबीयत कैसी है? Tony, I guess he must be fine, so I have not given a call to him, so I will be having a conversation with him today. Let's see. Chalo, so let's move on, guys. Here's the next question. This next question says what? Question says that you have to find the total surface area of this block. Now please pay attention, everyone, please pay attention. Guys, if you have to find total surface area, so first of all, this is a cube. This is a cube, 5, 5, 5 side length, breadth, height is same. So if you have to find the total surface area, you can first of all get the total surface area of the cube, TSA of cube, okay? Cool. Now, in this TSA, you will have to add an extra area which is very much visible from here, this curved surface area. I am saying curved surface area, I am not saying total surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Now, some of you might be thinking that, sir, why did you not take the total surface area? So people, in total surface area, we have the curved portion plus the bottom which is not visible here. So if this bottom is not visible, then do you think that we shall take the area of this? Answer is obviously no. Now, so we have taken the curved surface area, but the problem is that here the total surface area of the cube will not have this base part. Means what? Say for example, this is your top. This is the top of the cube. So if you put a hemisphere on this, the portion where hemisphere is kept, that much portion would not be visible. So if you keep the hemisphere here, so this much circular portion would not be visible. So if this is not visible, you will have to subtract this portion. So this portion, pi r square, the circle portion has to be subtracted. So you will do that, this pi r square will has to be subtracted. So what's the total area? So area that you have to find, I'm writing area, is total surface area of the cube. So total surface area of cube, everyone knows it's 6a square. So this is 6a square. And then you have to add the curved surface area of hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square. So plus 2 pi r square. And then you have to subtract, minus. You have to minus the area of the circle, which is going to be covered because of this hemisphere. So that is minus pi r square. So precisely you are getting 6a square plus pi r square. Now you have to find the value. So a is already given to you 5 and r is also given in the question, if I am not wrong. Okay, not given, so you will have to find how. I hope you are understanding that this length, wait a second, let me just change the color. I hope you are understanding that this length is equals to 5. So this length is what? This length is the diameter of the circle. So diameter of the circle is 5. This means radius is going to be 5 upon 2. Radius is going to be 5 upon 2. So now you have to just solve it. So 6a square, that is 6 into 5 square, plus pi is 3.14, or you can say 22 by 7, whatever you have to take. And then into r square, that is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. I hope you all get it. Did you? 163.86. Gaurav is saying 163.86. I don't know. 163.86. Wow, Gaurav. Pretty impressive, buddy. So 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square, which is precisely 6a square plus pi r square. 6a square is 5 square, edge is 5. So that's what we got. And then 22 by 7 into r square. So r they have kept 2.1. Really? How is this 2.1? Diameter of the hemisphere is 4.2. Wait a second, is it given that? Okay, very sorry. It was given diameter is 4.2. I missed this. Very sorry for that. Nimish, I got it. Radius will be 2.1 because diameter is given 4.2. So radius will be 2.1. I thought it is not given. So according to the figure, I was able to see that it should be 5 by 2. Very sorry for that. So if diameter is already given, diameter is given 4.2, then radius will be 2.1. So instead of writing this, instead of writing 5 by 2, you should write, instead of writing 5 by 2, you should write what? You should write here 2.1, and here also 2.1 into 2.1. So then you can solve it pretty easily. It's not tough now. Okay, did you all understand it? Give me a yo-yo fast. Sir, मैं आपके हर सेशन में आता हूँ, आशीर्वाद दो प्लीज. गौरव भाई बिल्कुल आशीर्वाद, आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, मैं तो कहता ही हूँ हमेशा. So 25 into 6, which is precisely 150, and then plus यहाँ से 0.3 times में कट कर दो और सॉल्व कर दो तो आ जाएगा. I guess 13.86 आ रहा है. चलो बहुत ही बढ़िया. सर की शादी करो. सर अभिषेक सर की शादी कर दो. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो let's move on. Here we go to the next question. So the अगला question 163.86 is the answer. Next question is this one. Question says that a wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. ठीक है, cylinder पे एक cone mount किया गया है. In the shape of a cone, the height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter. 26 centimeter लंबा rocket है, and the height of the cone is 6. तो obviously remaining height will be 20. ये जो पूरे cylinder का height है, that should be 20. Now, for this cylinder, the base of the cylinder is 3 centimeter inner diameter and 5 centimeter outer diameter. मतलब ये जो cylinder है, it is a pipe basically, because obviously the fuel has to go inside, so it's a pipe. So now if the pipe is this, wait a second, very sorry, मैंने कुछ और बता दिया. So again sorry. This is the representation of that cone. Please pay attention. This is a cone. So cone has got a diameter of 5. Base of cone, this cone has got a diameter of 5, and then inside that cone there is a small cylinder here, like this cylinder. So this cylinder has got the diameter 3. This cylinder has got the diameter 3. So now what you have been asked to do, the base of the conical has diameter 5, while the base of diameter of the cylinder portion is 3. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion yellow, find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. अब ध्यान से देखो बेटा, what do you have to do here? Question says that find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. So you have to first of all find area of the conical portion that has to be painted, and then area of the cylindrical portion that has to be painted. Yes? Okay. So everyone please pay attention. Now here what will happen, that for the cone you will paint the curved surface area. Correct? You will paint the curved surface area. Second, you will paint so this area also. Now if those who are not understanding that how this area will be painted, with orange color. Please understand this. Now, how shall I make you understand? Do I have something? Okay, yeah, I do have something. Now, everyone, please understand. I have a bottle. So, everyone, please understand. Now, just imagine. Don't look at the down portion. Just imagine that this is a cylinder portion on which this rocket is there. So, this is a cylinder portion. On this cylinder, if you put a cone like this, no, it is not happening. Okay, wait. Let me bring my, so say for example, the base of the cone. So my mobile, this is the base of the cone. So cone, it is kept like this. So beta, if this is kept like this on the bottle, if this is kept like this, then are you understanding कि this much portion will be covered by the bottle, but remaining portion is there. ये this portion is remaining. ये जो पूरा portion है ये बच रहा है. Are you all understanding? So only circular portion would be not seen. It would not be painted. जो यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है वो paint नहीं होगा, but the remaining other portion would be painted. Yes. तो this means that on the cylinder, अरे क्या हो गया? हाँ. This means that if you make the cylinder, this is the cylinder, and on this cylinder, if you make a cone like this, ऐसा कुछ कोन बनाते हो आप, so this much portion, this ring type of portion, this would be painted in orange. ऐसा है ना? So this would be painted in orange. So for orange paint, you will take curved surface area of the cone, this curved surface area of the cone, plus area of ring, Fine. And for cylinder, what you will do? So cylinder, it's pretty simple. Curved surface area of cylinder, CSA of cylinder, plus area of the base. So area of the base is pi r square. Now you have to solve it. So how are you going to solve it? So it's not so tough. Let me just show you. So ये solve करते हैं. See here. So curved surface area of the cone. Will you be able to solve it? यार इसके बाद value है. Will you be able to solve it? Sir, I am watching your session from USA. I live here with my father. Please reply, sir. Hi Aryan. What's up, buddy? Okay. So did you all understand this? How you have to solve it? Curved surface area of the cone plus area of ring plus curved surface area of cylinder plus pi r square. 100.2 pi. Krishna is saying 100.2 pi. Maybe. दारू की बोतल. अबे रुद्राक्ष दारू की बोतल नहीं थी. It was just a water bottle. So L, you would be able to find this L. तो L आप find कर लोगे. Curved surface area of the cone CSA. Base area of the cone. So base area of the cone is area of circle. पूरा. Similar. So here area to be painted orange. Curved surface area of the cone plus base area of the cone minus base area of the cylinder. That is area of ring. Similarly, area to be painted by yellow. Curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of bottom in the case of cylinder. Okay. Chalo. Sir, what is your section name of CBSE 10th? Beta Tanmay, you just write, you just tell them that you have to get into Harshprem sir's batch. They will put you. Okay. हाँ सर ने अभी सर अमृत सर ने अभी सर के दो बच्चे कर दे. I did not get it. Anyways, हाँ so I hope you would be able to get this entire question. ये पूरा question समझ जाओगे and hence this will be your answer. ठीक है? Fine. So if you will be able to understand it, मतलब if you understood it, then that's great. Let's move on to the next question. ये है. So this is the entire solution. Sorry, this is the entire solution. So you can take a you can refer from this question. Chalo, moving on. This is an information for all of you. Information says Vedantu is launching NTEC stage 2 courses. So all those who have done good in NTEC stage 1 and who are confident of their result, so please join NTEC stage 2 batch. You will learn a lot, and once your NTEC stage 1 results are out, you will have already a very good backing of stage 2 preparation as well. Okay. So what you need to do, this batch is going to means it has started from 17th December. It will go till 13th February. You have to just use this link tinyurl.com/NTEC stage 2. tinyurl.com/NTEC-stage-2. This URL would be given in the description box also. And these all are the teachers who are going to teach you. Fine, Budge. Fine, guys. Yo. Chalo, let's move on. Fine. Moving on, this is the next question, guys. So this next question says what? Let's pay attention. Question says Mayank made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. Okay. So looks like Mayank is a bird lover. So this is a cylinder. In this, he carved out this much portion. He removed it. So now this is a depression. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Okay, radius is 30 centimeter. So this is the radius. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. You have to find the total surface area. So guys, for total surface area, what you'll have to do? Very simple. CSA will be there. Yes, it will be there. Area of the bottom will be there. Pi r square. Yes, it will be there. At the same time, area of top won't be there because there is no top. But once you look it from the top, you would be able to see the curved surface area of the hemisphere. You would be able to see the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So this is CSA of hemisphere. So what you'll have to add? You'll have to add curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder and then plus pi r square. And hence you will get the answer. Did you all understand it? क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? Just tell me. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h and plus pi r square. Pi r square. So what you have got? You have got pi r as common. So take pi r common. Remaining is 2r plus 2h plus r. So you have to solve this now. And pretty simple, pi is nothing but 22 by 7. Radius is given here 30. So just put that value 30. And then in bracket 2 into 30, 60 plus 2 into h. So h is 1.45 meters. That is 145 centimeter if we are taking everything in centimeter. So 145 centimeter, 145 into 2h. So 2 into 145, I guess that should be 290. So that is 290. And then plus radius. That radius is again 30. So that is 30. Now you have to calculate it. So this is I guess 90, 290 and 90 is 380. So hence you get 22 by 7 into 30 into if I am not wrong 380. So hence you have to calculate it and you have to get the right answer. Did you all understand it, people? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? Did you all understand it? 887.6. That's great. 887.6. So hence this is the answer. Fine. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We got the same answer. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Okay, they have not taken the area of the bottom part. So maybe they would have missed it. No issues. But still, this is the final answer. I hope you all understood it. Did you? Sir, crash course में नहीं ले ले weak course वाले help कर दो. Nimish, just put a mail to me. I'll do that. Okay. Chalo, let's move on. Here we go to the next question. So this next question says what? This question says that how much air is in the shed. So how much air is in the shed? Air means, so you have to find the volume of this entire figure. So are you able to see that this figure is made up of a cuboid? This is a cuboid and plus the upper portion. Upper portion is actually half of the cylinder. Are you understanding that? Because if you would have made it complete like this, so this would have been a cylinder. Are you understanding it? See here, this would have been. Arre hato. Wait a second, something happened. Just give me a moment. So, yep, just a second. Yeah, so I was saying that if you would make this, so this would be something type of cylinder. So basically the upper portion is half of the cylinder. So what you'll have to do here is volume of cuboid. You'll have to do here volume of cuboid, and then you'll have to do here volume of cylinder divided by 2. volume of cylinder divided by 2. That's what you have to do. So volume of cylinder divided by 2, everyone knows this is pi r square h divided by 2, and then volume of cuboid, everyone knows it's L into B into H. L into B into H. Okay, so hence we have got two formula. Now you have to just simply multiply them, put the values and get the answer. Will you be able to do this? Acha, main chat hata diya. Come on, tell me yes or no. Will you be able to do this or not? Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. If you all would be able to do this. Yes sir. How to good in mathematics? Avnish, by studying. Chalo. Moving on guys. Here we go. So pi r square h by 2, and this is L into B into H. You have to solve this. L into B into H. You have to solve this and then you have to get the right answer. Fine. Chalo. Did you all understand it or not? Come on, tell me yes or no. Did you all understand it? Okay. Fine. If you all understood, see, this is the entire solution and this is the final value. Fine. Chalo, let's move on. Here we go. So this is the next question. This next question says we have to find the actual capacity and apparent capacity. Now what is this actual and apparent? What the question is saying that there is a juice seller who has a glass. In this glass there is a bulged out portion. So basically this juice seller is trying to reduce the amount of juice. So he has made the glass like this, so that if you would have made a flat glass, this extra volume would have been in the juice glass. So he has made the glass like this, so that less amount of juice should be there. Okay. Now, if this is the situation, so the question is asking what is the apparent capacity and what is the actual capacity. So apparent capacity means the capacity which will look like, so people will understand or people will assume that okay, it's a cylinder, so it will have pi r square h amount of juice. So apparent capacity is going to be pi r square h, but the reality is in reality the volume of hemisphere will be reduced, isn't it? So in actual capacity you will do that this is pi r square h area of volume of cylinder. In this volume of cylinder you will subtract 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is the volume of hemisphere. So you will just subtract it and hence you will get the answer. Did you all understand it? क्या ये सबको समझ में आया? Come on, tell me yes or no. Did you all understand it? Volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Absolutely right, Prakaran. Cool. Looks like everyone got it. Chalo, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So if all of you got it, that's fantastic. So you can take out pi r square common, then h minus 2 by 3 r will be there. So you can take out pi r square common and then h minus 2r by 3 will be common, and hence you will be able to get the answer. You have to just put the values. So all the values are given. Okay. Chalo. If you all understood, that's great. Let's move on. So the same formula, 2 by 3 pi r cube and then pi r square h. So you have to subtract that and then you get the final value. Okay. Chalo. Sir, are you taking crash courses? Yes, Harsh, I am. So you can get into that. So that's all for today. This is the last question and this is a homework for all of you, and I want to give it as a homework. So everyone please note it down. This is your homework. You have to find the volume of this toy. This is not a tough question. It's an easy question. So just give it a try. Take a snapshot, take a screenshot of this question and solve it. Try to solve this question and then you'll get the answer. And once you solve this, then you will be able to match the answer from here. So it's an easy question, very easy question. So that's why I have given it as a homework for all of you. Okay. And once you're done, post your answers in the comment box. Fine, people. So yes, that was all for this session. All those who liked the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends as well so that they can get benefited. And all those who want to join into my sessions, all those who want to study from me, you are more than welcome. There is just a Vedantu Pro. You will have to get into Vedantu Pro subscription. In that Vedantu Pro subscription, you get all subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry, bio, English, social, everything. So in all those subjects, you will be getting doubt support, test, assignment, all India test series, handwritten notes of the teachers. So all those things are available. And this all thing is available in just 2,700 rupees per month. That is the price. But right now, if you apply, see earlier if you would have applied this coupon code HPE Pro, you would have got this 2,700 course in 2159, 2,200 roughly. But now you will get it in 1,350. So there is a discount offer going on. So it's the best time to go for it. Okay. So all those who are interested, you can surely go for it. And then we'll have a lot of fun in the live sessions. So till then, guys, take care. Bye bye. See you all in the next session. Bye bye. Good night.